What's up, guys? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a very cool fintech company that not a lot of people are looking into. It's in the payment processing field for e-commerce as well as regular brick and mortar stores. I thought this would be a great video to introduce you guys to this stock. I believe it is heavily undervalued. It's very overlooked by Wall Street. However, since IPO, this stock has doubled, but it doesn't carry the valuation of many of its competitors, such as Toast, such as Square, such as many other banking slash payment processing companies within this niche. Now, we're going to be talking about a specific stock named Shift4 Payments. Now, about Shift4 Payments, if you really want to know the basics, Shift4 Payments is a leading provider of integrated payment processing and technology solutions, delivering a complete omni-channel ecosystem that extends beyond payments to include a wide range of e-commerce enabling services. The company's technologies help power over 350 software providers in numerous industries, including hospitality, retail, e-commerce, lodging, gaming, and much more. And Shift4 securely processes billions of transactions annually for hundreds of thousands of businesses across the world. Now, on their website, you can actually see some of their partners. Their partners include companies such as Diesel, Auntie Annie's, Baja Fresh, Cold Stone, Caesars, Carrabba's, pretty much DQ, Denny's. All these companies mainly use Shift4 Payments payment processing system in order to process your transactions. So they mainly do things brick and mortar retails, hotels, resorts, casinos, you name it, they're in it, and they are the leading provider for payment processing systems in these companies. Now, a little bit about Shift4. It's not just a easy payment processor. You guys got to understand, this is a company that also gives contactless payment devices, QR code ordering and payments, online ordering, on top of just regular food and beverage point of sale systems, hospitalities, retail, and they even have an e-commerce store that competes with Shopify, and it's called Shift4 Shop, which basically they do the same things as Shopify. They're just much smaller. However, they are trying to compete with the Shopify in the future, and I believe that this company will, even if it doesn't deliver the same results as Shopify, the fact that this is part of the business is a huge success, because it not only processes payments for regular customers, brick and mortar, but it also does one-stop shop e-commerce solution as well, which is just another bonus for this type of business. As you can see, here's the SkyTab payments terminal. And if we go down by the numbers, this company is still founder-led, 25 plus years in business, 200,000 plus customers, 3.5 billion plus annual transactions, and over $200 billion they process annually, and they do make a cut of each of those transactions. So let's get into the numbers. So today, on October 20th, this stock is trading at about $76.97 to be exact. As you can see, it has reached a high of $104. However, it has retraced and been corrected all the way down to $67 just recently. It's starting to bounce back slowly and surely. Market cap's about $6.9 billion for this company, which is fairly cheap if you look at their financials, which show an income 147% increase year over year in revenue, annually per quarter, being in the last quarter $351 million. Now, if you multiply that times 4, that's going to be 1.4 billion, over 1.4 billion dollars. Now, usually companies like this trade for well north of 10 times revenue. Okay, so just based off of Q2 numbers, if you multiply it by 4, and just based off of that could already mean that it's fairly undervalued. Now, also net income wise, it just eked out a profit of about 3.2 million in the last quarter, so it's just now starting to become profitable. And did I mention that the Jared Isaacman, which is the CEO and founder of this company, has been leading this company for 25 years. And on top of that, he was recently part of the Elon Musk SpaceX mission, and he was the pilot along with 3 other passengers all the way into space, which is crazy. And he financed this all with his own dime. On top of that, he did free advertising for Shift4 payments because he was the founder that led the company, and through SpaceX they also advertised their company to do things for people to raise awareness about his company so they could open up with the Shift4 shop and other things. So this is a very interesting company. A lot of people overlook this company. I thought this would be a quick video to kind of let you guys know about it. Balance sheet wise, it's been going up. Debt to assets about 75%. However, the reason the reason for this is because the company is looking to do acquisitions in the near term, and they believe that they can outperform. And I don't know why this stock has been beaten down for the last pretty much 6 months. Ever since April, it has not been able to cut above $104. On top of that, it recently reached a low of $69 or $67 at the very bottom. And so right now, I believe it's a good fair value comeback play. And 5 years out, especially with reopening and stuff like that, this company can do very well. So anyways, this is just a quick video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, do all that. Just these are videos that I'm just doing for fun. Thought I'd bring this to you, and we'll go from there.